All right, hello, it's me again. Oh, that was kind of weird, huh? Anyway, I have completed my 6 weeks, and guess what? I lost another 4 pounds. So that's 34 pounds in 6 weeks. This is the most amazing thing I've ever done as far as weight loss is concerned. And the more I learn about the science behind it, because I'm doing a lot of that, researching it and understanding it now to that level, and it is phenomenal. It is life-changing. It is sustainable. You will not gain this weight back so long as you're willing to change your lifestyle. Okay, so get this. I have 5 people that have also joined and that are doing this now. Okay, my first student or pupil finished his first week today. He lost 10 pounds his first week. This is a guy who's been big as long as I've known him, since he was a young kid. So, I guess I just don't know what else to say. Just that I'm completely sold, not only sold, but I'm on a mission now to help as many people as I can to share this. This method has been recommended by physicians for over 30 years, like 20,000 of them. This is what they give to their really obese patients. This is one of the things that they do, this plan. But the program is even better because you do more. It teaches you all the different types of health habits. And it teaches you how to sustain it and keep it off forever, how to change your life. So I can't say enough how great this is. So I'm going to keep doing this, and I got 28 more pounds to go. People are noticing like crazy. I'm sure you can notice now. You can tell from the very first video I did to now in my face. I mean, I had to throw out a lot of clothes. I've gotten clothes that I haven't worn in over 10 years. I'm down to, down to the last notch on my belt. Everywhere I go, people are just like double taking and saying how much, wow, what are you doing? And anyway, can't say enough how great it is. So I hope that, again, if you have any questions, send me an email or find me and contact me through my website or my fan page. I'll be glad to share any information that you want. I answer all your questions, whatever. But if you're debating, and if you know that if you're one of those people that was like me who needed to lose weight, this is your answer. This will be the end if you do what it says. And it's not hard. I have no more cravings. I'm never hungry. I don't even know what else to say to you. Sorry, I'm rambling. I do that. Anyway, thanks again for watching, and until next week, we'll see ya.